I come in?
No?
Please?
No.
Go on.
Oh, yeah, absolutely not.
What about now?
Still no. Sorry, are you a vampire?
Yeah. No.
Vampires need to be invited in, don't they?
Well, no.
Show your teeth.
Don't have any teeth.
Go on, give us a smile. But you've got a nice smile. Come on. Oh, I know it. You're a vampire.
Can I come in?
No.
Drop my ball.
Yeah, you did.
Can I come in and get it?
Oh, no, I got it.
There's no trouble. I can do it.
Here you go.
Can I get my ball?
I'm keeping it. I think you should leave.
Okay. Hello, it's someone else. Can I come in?
Why'd you want to come in?
Play Wii Sports.
Don't have a Wii?
I do. Drop my... Can I come in?
No.
Can I come out?
If you want.
Not ready.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
No.
You're in the box, aren't you?
No.
So you wouldn't mind if I stab the box?
Don't stab the box.
Because you're in the box.
Yeah. No.
All right.
Oh, my God.
What?
You stabbed my box.
Oh.
It was a present.
What was it?
Horse.
Oh. Oh.
Right. I don't want to have to do this.
Do what?
You've left me no choice. Here I go.
Oh, no.
Can I come in?
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 Nope.
Can I come in?
No.
Can I come in?
No.
Can I not come in?
No.
Oh.
Oh, shit. That was cheap.
I said I didn't want to do it.
Well, I guess you're going to eat me now.
No.
You're a vampire.
No, I'm not.
What are you then?
I'm a Jehovah's Witness.
What?
Have you heard the teachings of Jesus Christ?
Oh, no. This is much worse.